bittersweet and I'm walking slow. Sensitive, feel the afterglow. Looking for things that I can't control. Fear from my past cause it always shows.
Hi guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. You can say hi. So this week I'll be doing a week in the life of a Nigerian medical student, and today is Monday. We are off to our clinical postings. For me, I am in the pulmonology unit, and Dobby and Kate, they are in endocrinology unit. Patient has already gone because she's in surgery department and they have the surgery. I think they've already started the surgery safe. So they're in the theater, yeah. So we are going to our various units, so come along with us. This is just a short intro, guys, no much talk. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Bye. So we are at the hospital now, guys. We'll be going to our various units. Apparently I will be going alone because Kate and Adobe are in the same unit. Okay, right now guys, I'm heading to the female medical ward. Yeah, my unit has ward round, so I'm heading to the female medical ward. So see you. Okay guys, we're done with posting for today. So we're supposed to move towards the bus, but we're going to get food because we are hungry.
What did you do today?
Listening to our content. Listening to her talk about what
She said plenty. She taught us how to clear, starting from biodata, presenting complaints. We sat down in that man's office and we received fresh air.
Really?
We chilled today.
Wow, I'm hoping to get this. See my legs, my feet. Because today I did not see it.
Every day for the thief, one day for the owner. Yes, I have good news, guys. Don't really know what happened. So now, as we're coming back from our posting, they give us 500 naira.
Yeah.
We would sell you. No, it's just me and Akebi. Yes, now 500 naira.
500. See?
500 naira is mine. I got the clean 500 naira. Suit is behind my.
She maltreated me and collected
I got the clean 500
It was
naira.
for me. The person personally said, give it to Adobe. Oh no. It's
So,
Mom, 500 naira to 500. Guys, you pay 500.
we are not snitching. We pay you.
It's not snitching.
Because
say you should not tell me
because if we tell you, you go and meet the person. I'll be like,
let me
yes, now 500 naira, but still,
I'm not like that, guys.
you know the person.
Yes. Then tell me who the person is.
That's why we don't want to tell you. I think it's not the only house officer. Sha, that's don't mind Paschaline wants to get 500. Don't give the push. Okay, yeah, no, who am I talking to? Say, don't worry.
So good morning, guys. Today is day 2. Today is day 2. Yeah, today is Tuesday, and we are heading to FMC for postings. The patient saying hi from there. Should I just say hi? Kate. Oh, I can see you. So guys, we are done with posting for today. Yeah, today we had Right now I'm coming from tuberculosis ward. That was where we ended the posting. We had some patients in that ward. Then we also had to check up on our patients and review them, the patients we had from yesterday. And did you see any new patients? Okay, what was this condition?
She didn't say.
Oh, it's true, COPD.
One has COPD.
Yeah.
The other one was to be discharged.
You're my
Hi.
Yeah, we had one new patient today. We are managing him for COPD. Yes. So that's how posting today went. Ward rounds and so see you guys. Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. So today is the tree. Today is the tree of a week in my life, and today is Wednesday. So for today I have lectures this morning. So I'll be going for lectures. After lectures I'll be going to FMC for clinical postings. So that's what I have today. So come along with me for today. So I'm heading to the bus right now. Yeah, for lectures. So see you guys later.
Just tell me the truth. I want to change with you.
So guys, we are done with lectures now. We are heading to FMC, and Kate already took the front seat in the bus. See her. So we are heading to FMC for postings. We are done with lectures. So see you. So we're at FMC now guys, and I'm about to go to my unit. For today we have clinic day. Yeah, today is our clinic day, so we'll be doing consultation. So I'm going to my unit for consultation. See you guys later. Good afternoon guys, good afternoon. Yeah, I'm done for today. I'm done. We're done with clinic day, so I'm heading towards the bus so we can go to the hospital. Yeah, it was okay, but stressful though. I stood throughout. Yeah, we're standing throughout basically. And that was quite stressful. So and welcome to day 5 of a week in the life of a Nigerian medical student. I'm overly excited today because this week to me has ended. I said the week has ended for me, but for today we just have to go to school because we have lectures and we have postings after lectures. So that's all we have for today. Show them some excitement. Thank you, Frankie. I'll post it, but I'm going to say something. I'm still maintaining this in class. We are done with lectures, guys. We are in the bus. About to go to FMC. So, yeah, lectures done. FMC way. Is this one? Okay guys, we are at FMC now for posting as usual. So see you guys later when we're done with posting. Bye. Bye.
Stress. Stress is real. I want to try this mask.
Okay guys, finally we are done with posting for today. Yeah, we began at the accident and emergency unit today. Then we finally ended at the tuberculosis ward where we went to check on some of our patients there. We also had patients at A&E. We reviewed them. Yeah. And so posting has ended for today guys. Thank you so much for coming this far with me. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you. So see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.